What's up, guys? This is a 2020 Jeep Wrangler, and I had a previous video where when I was trying to use the windshield washer, you know, it would not spray very strongly at all. You know, it was just kind of meh coming out of there. So not only, here's a couple of things you can do. Disconnect these two hoses right here. You just pull them apart, basically. They're just rubber seals and whatnot, not a very big deal. We'll just pull them apart real quick, like so. See that guy right there? Pull it apart and then pull the cap off of this here. And you'll need you know, some source of compressed air. Like I have an air compressor. So you'll need something like that. You know, if you can just get a can of compressed air, you can get that at, you know, online. I'll put a link where you can get it, or you can get it at a lot of computer supply stores. And we're going to need to clear out blowing in both directions. So you'll need to turn it towards you. Same with this guy here. Take that off. Just sort of slide them towards you, and then turn them towards you like this. See if I can make it stay. There we go. And then you just put your compressed air nozzle onto each one of them, and then look, you have to do it kind of gently. Do it gently because notice it blows out from the nozzle that's inside, or the suction nozzle that's inside the tank. And it's obviously clogged. So we're going to clear it out by back flushing it, basically. I'm just pushing in a little bit of air. See? So just do it gently, basically, and it's going to blow it out through there. Then you can put the cap back on, replace the connections that were right here and here, and that should fix your problem. It fixed mine, at least, and it just means, I think this car sat for quite a while, actually, so some of the washer fluid liquid crystallized or clogged the suction tube inside there somehow. And so that's how you clean it out. And it should blow nice and strong coming out through there, as well as on the back window. And you can also blow compressed air through each of these as well, from here. As well as this one goes to the rear windshield. So blow some compressed air through both of those as well. And that should fix it. Check out other videos about this vehicle. We got tons of other videos, you know, regarding this one and Dodge Durango and new and old cars, motorcycles, dirt bikes, Harley Davidsons, fixing stuff around the house, all kind of stuff. So check out the video. You'll see links coming up in the thumbnail at the end of this video. And look in the description, you'll find all kinds of other links that'll send you to our online store. If you like working on your own motorcycles and such, we have lots of various specialty items in our eBay and Amazon store. And we're on Facebook, as well as 2 YouTube channels. So check it out and look for the links that are about to pop up right now.